Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Welcome to all my subscribers and my prospective subscribers. Big up on a nice clean serve. So guys, today I'm doing curry chicken and this is by request. I already seasoned my chicken. Yes guys, already seasoned, and I have my stuff in. So this is what my curry chicken is looking like. It's actually marinating now for at least 2 hours. You could marinate yours for half an hour because I went to bed, so this is 2 hours. So guys, I use all-purpose Maggi chicken. I use also black pepper. I use curry powder, garlic, ginger, carrot, onion, scallion, thyme, pepper, all different color bell pepper, and this is what it is looking like now. So now we are gonna put our chicken in the pot, but before we do that, let us turn on our stove. Yes guys, stove have some water right here. I'm actually cooking curry chicken and rice. Stove have some water right there from the pot, but that's fine. And this is my rice and peas simmering down guys. So yeah guys, so when the pot is hot, I'm going to burn my curry and put my chickens in. So just go and stay tuned, watch what I go on. Alright guys, curry chicken, burning my oil. Not a lot. So guys, my curry is now hot. My pot is now hot, sorry. I'm putting in my curry to be burned. Alright, I think that's enough. So guys, this is what curry been looking like when it's burned. So yeah, I'm gonna mix this up and then I'm gonna place our curry in there. Potatoes. is have a hot pepper in there.
Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet, right? Ginger and stuff. Put in the rice a bit after. Guys, you don't want to smell this, so guys, this smells so sweet. It smells so nice, delicious. So guys, it's been now 15 minutes and it make its own juice, guys. Look there, nice, see? Nice. 15 minutes, guys. This is what it's looking like. Just gonna turn up my pot, eat a little spin. Smells so nice. It's own juice. Nice. One moment. I've got my pot covered and give it 5 to 10 more minutes. Shine. So guys, look, it has made its own juice. And it has been like 25 minutes, so we are going to put in our veggies, guys. I'm going to put in our veggies.
What do you have in that veggie mix?
That's carrot, bell pepper, onion, pimento, scotch bonnet, carrot, Irish potato.
I want to say hi to the vlog.
Guys, remember to wash your eyes.
Rice is washed. Pour it in. Wash rice, guys.
And it's ugly. Don't wash my wife. I said get evil. Wash that dish.
It's already perfect. Ginger, scallion, thyme, pepper, garlic. That's perfect. Just gonna taste it enough salt. Now we're just checking on our so guys, my curry chicken is done cooked. Alright, this is it. Curried chicken. This my rice and